This is the part 2 of Maths graded assignment of week 2. So this question says, consider the scenario where a fighter jet MiG-21 flying at a height of 2,800 meter from origin O 0, 0. The air defense system S-400 is located at a distance of 400 meter from origin. The missile BrahMos is fired from MiG-21 towards the warship and it follows a straight line path. The missile makes an angle of 45 degree measured in clockwise direction from the ground horizontal axis if it hits the warship. The air defense system S-400 tracks the path of missile and fires a missile triumph towards it. Missile triumph also follows a straight line path having slope 2. Let P be the point where triumph's missile hits the BrahMos missile. Now we have to answer two questions, question number 4 and question number 5 based on the data that I just spoke. So the question is, find out the distance between point P and origin O in meters. So to solve this question, here we are given this figure and then we have to solve the question. We have to find out the distance between point P and origin O in meters. So slope of the line PS is given to us 2 from the question. Therefore we can write it as y minus 0 upon x minus 400 equals to 2, and we get, further solving the equation, we get y equals to 2x minus 800. Now the slope of line MN equals to minus tan 45, it equals to minus 1. Okay, now we can write it as y minus 2800 upon x minus 0 equals to minus 1. Therefore, x plus y minus 2800 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Clearly, we have two equations. Now, after solving the first and second equation, we get x equals to 1200 and y equals to 1600. Now the coordinates of point P clearly are 1200, 1600, and the distance OP equals to root 1200 minus 0 whole square plus 1600 square, and we get 2000 meters. So this was the question number 4, 2000 meter. Further, question number 5 says, if the speed of BrahMos missile is 96 root 10 meter per second, then what should be the speed of Triumph's missile in meter per second so that it should hit the BrahMos missile at point P? Using the distance formula, PM equals to root of 1200 minus 0 square plus 1600 minus 2800 square, and we get 1200 root 2 meter. Similarly, the distance PS we get it as 400 root 2 root 10 meter. Now, according to the question, the speed of BrahMos is given to us 96 root 10 meter per second. So the time taken by it to reach P is PM per speed. Therefore, T equals to 1200 root 2 upon 96 root 10 second. Now, required speed of Triumph missile to reach P in T equals to 1200 root 2 upon 96 root 10 is speed 320 meter per second. Hence, the required speed is 320 meter per second. Further, question number 6. It says a bird is flying along the straight line 2y minus 6x equals to 40 in the same plane as an aeroplane is trying to fly in a straight line and passes through point 4, 12. Consider the point where the aeroplane starts to fly as origin. If the bird and plane collide, then enter the answer as 1, and if not, then 0. Note, bird and aeroplane can be considered to be of negligible size. Now, in this solution that we have done, the equation is 2y minus 6x equals to 26. 2y minus 6x equals to 26. And in the question, in the graded assignment that I have, the equation is 2y minus 6x equals to 40. So please study your values accordingly. The solution is of 2y minus 6x equals to 26. If you have any other value of equal to, you can replace 26 by the value and you can solve it similarly. So further y equals to 3x plus 13, and we can say 3 equals to m1. Slope of line equals to 3 equals to m1. Now equation of the line passing through point 4 comma 12 and 0 comma 0 is given by y minus 0 equals to 12 minus 0.4 minus 0 into x minus 0, y equals to 3x, right? Now slope of line 3 equals to m2. So we get m1 equals to 3 and m2 equals to 3. Now as the both the slopes are equal and equal to 3, we can say that the two lines are parallel and hence never meet in the plane. Therefore, the bird will not collide with the aeroplane, and that's why the answer will be 0. So this was our question number 6. Now question number 7. Question 7 gives us three lines and asks us to find out the perimeter formed by the intersection of the three lines. It means we are given three lines. The intersection of these three lines forms a triangle, and we have to find the perimeter of the triangle. Now, after solving the equation 1, 2, and 3, we get x equals to minus 6. Okay. Then putting x equals to minus 6 in equation second, we get the value of y. So we get the coordinates of q equals to minus 6 by 6, p equals to minus 2 by 0 comma 0, and r equals to 0 comma 2. Now further we calculate the distance between p, q, qr and rp using the distance formula, and then we add the three distances that we get to get the perimeter. So how we solved it? Firstly we calculated the value of x and y, then we calculated then we then we figured out the coordinates of the intersection. We can name any as PQR according to the way you define the intersection. Then we find out the distance between PQ, QR and RP, and further we add the three to get the answer, that is 17.250 square unit. Now question number 8. Question number 8 says suppose the equation x plus 3y minus 10 x plus 3y minus 10 equals to 0 represent the straight line which is perpendicular to the line segment joining the point a 0 comma 0 and b 3 comma p. Divide it at c in the ratio m is to 1 where p and m are elements of phi. Find out the value of p plus 4m. So in the graded assignment that I have, the value, the equation is given to us x plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. So here x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. So please tell your values before filling out the answers. Further, after solving it, 2y equals to minus x plus 10. Therefore, we get m1 equals to minus 1 by 2. And m2 equals to 2. Now, equation of line passing through a 0 comma 0 and b 3 comma p is 3 by p equals to 2. Therefore, we get ps 6. So b equals to 3 comma 6. Now, coordinates of c is given by section formula 3m upon m plus 1 comma 6m upon m plus 1. Since c also lies on L1, x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0, c should satisfy the equation 1, 3m upon m plus 1 plus 2 into 6m plus 1 minus 10 equal to 0. And further, after solving, we get m equals to 2. Therefore, p plus 4m equals to 6 plus 8 equals to 14. Now, it is a very important thing to tell your values in question number 8 and replace the value accordingly as you want the question to be solved. Just replace the value according to the equation that you have and solve it. The rest of the part will be in, the rest of the solution will be in the part 3. Thank you.